Welcome back from the previous episodes where we already spoke about Java runtime area. At this episode, we are going to speak about execution engine and high overview of the workflow of the execution engine. So let's get started. What is Java execution engine does? Executes Java class files and the bytecode which is assigned to the runtime data areas in Java virtual machine via class loader. After you finish class loading, linkage, verification, resolution, you need to execute already the program to work. So that is the purpose of execution engine. Execution engine contains of three main areas. First one is interpreter. Interpreter will read, convert the bytecode to machine learning and executing them in a sequential manner. It runs the application from the command line by accepting a file name argument. It will interpret the same code every time. So it's not something good for optimization. For that reason, we have the second item will be JIT compiler, just-in-time compiler. It compiles parts of the bytecode that have been used several times to speed up the application, and compiling bytecode into a native machine code at runtime also to speed up the application from the repetitive interpreting steps. Oracle has something called hotspot compiler, which searches for hotspots that requires compiling with the highest priority through profiling and then compiles it into the native code to avoid also repetitive interpret the same code. If the bytecode of a compiled method is no longer required, the hotspot removes the native code from the cache, then run it in the interpreter mode. That will be more efficient in some cases. The third component will be the garbage collector. Garbage collector is to free up the memory by collecting and removing the unreferenced objects. For the garbage collector, for the JIT compilers, for the interpreter, in the future we will have separate episodes to explain how they are working in details. We will stop for the moment and we are going to continue later on to reveal the secrets of the rest of our execution engine in Java. Thank you so much for your listening. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. If you think that this information are really useful and helpful, so please help me to share it with others so we can spread the good information. Thank you so much. Bye bye.